चैप्टर 5 द कोस्टल प्लेन्स एंड आइलैंड्स। आज हम लोग कोस्टल प्लेन्स एंड आइलैंड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। हम लोग देखेंगे कि इंडिया में जियोग्राफिकली कहाँ कहाँ पर कोस्टल प्लेन्स हैं, कौन कौन से स्टेट्स उसमें पड़ते हैं, जो वेस्टर्न और ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स जो हैं वहाँ पे कौन कौन से स्टेट्स हैं, और इन सब कोस्टल प्लेन्स और आइलैंड्स में लाइफ कैसी होती है, लोग कैसे रहते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो सब हम जानेंगे। तो पहले हम वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो द वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स आर सिचुएटेड ऑन अ thin strip of land and lie nestled between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. They extend from the state of Gujarat up to the southern state of Kerala. So पहले वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में कौन कौन से स्टेट है, मतलब कहाँ से शुरू होके कहाँ पे ख़त्म होती है। फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात और सदर्न स्टेट केरला, ये जो पूरा स्ट्रेच है ये हो गया वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन। The western coastal plain have many rivers and backwaters which are unique to this region. They can be divided into three parts: Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, Malabar coast in the south. So ये गुजरात से केरला तक का जो स्ट्रेच है वो काफ़ी बड़ा है, तो इसको 3 भागों में हमने डिवाइड किया है। नॉर्थ में हो गया गुजरात कोस्ट, मिडिल एरिया में हो गया कोंकण कोस्ट जो गोवा तक है, और साउथ में हो गया मालाबार कोस्ट। द स्टेट्स विच लाई इन दिस रीजन आर गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटका एंड केरला। सो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि कौन से स्टेट्स वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में हैं। द आंसर विल बी द स्टेट्स विच लाई in the western coastal plains are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. So let's learn in detail about each of these states. Let's start with Gujarat. Location: Gujarat is located in the northwest India. Capital is Gandhinagar. The main rivers of this state are Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada. Language spoken is Gujarati. Traditional dress: men wear dhoti, chudidar, short jackets called angrakhas and turbans. Women wear sari, lehenga, choli. The music and dance of the state is garba and ras. Festival celebrated is Navratri, which is the main festival. Occupation: यहाँ पे लोग क्या काम करते हैं? Trading and farming are the main occupations of the people of Gujarat. Jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, these are the main crops. Textile, petroleum, salt, khadi, handloom, fertilizer, diamond cutting and dairy farming are the major industries of this state. अब टूरिज्म, यहाँ पे घूमने के लिए क्या क्या जगह है? गिर फॉरेस्ट, लोथाल, धोलावीरा एंड महात्मा गांधी साबरमती आश्रम are the famous tourist destinations, and important cities are Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot. These are the main cities. अब हम महाराष्ट्र में जाते हैं. Where it is located? Is located on the Konkan coast in western India. Capital is Mumbai. Rivers: main rivers are Godavari and Krishna. Language spoken is Marathi. Traditional dresses: men wear dhoti kurta, pajama kurta and Gandhian cap, and women wear 9-yard sari. Main dance forms are lavani and tamasha. These are the popular folk dances. Festival: Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of this state. Occupation: people work mainly in trading and farming. The main crops grown here are cotton, mango, groundnut, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, grapes, oranges and banana. The major industries are film industry, petroleum, Bombay High, diamond, finance and textile. These are the major industries. ठीक है. And tourism, घूमने के लिए famous spots क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? Elephanta Caves है, Gateway of India, Hanging Garden. These are the popular tourist spots. और important cities हो गया पुणे, नासिक, नागपुर Aurangabad, Kolhapur and Sholapur. Now we come to Goa. Goa is located on the Konkan coast between Maharashtra and Karnataka. The capital is Panaji. Rivers are Zuari and Mandovi. Language spoken are English, Konkani, Portuguese and Marathi. Traditional dress. Men wear colorful shirts teamed up with half pants and a bamboo hat. Women wear 9-yard sari known as Navwari. Dances, Talgadi, Goff, Tonya Mel and Mando. These are the well-known dance forms of the state of Goa. Festival, Christmas and the Goan Carnival are celebrated here. Occupation is farming and fishing. These are the main occupation, and the major crops grown here are cashew, mango, rice and coconut. The major industries of Goa include iron ore mining, electronics, chemicals, software, automobile accessories and pharmaceuticals. Tourism में क्या है? St. Xavier Church, which is also known as Basilica of Bom Jesus, Fort Aguada and beaches like Baga, Dona, Paula, Anjuna, Kolva and Candoling. These are the popular tourist destinations of Goa. Important cities क्या हो गया? Mapusa, Kalingut, Old Goa, Margao. These are the main cities of the states. Now we come to the state of Karnataka. It is located on the western coast, surrounded by Maharashtra and Goa in the north, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the east and Tamil Nadu in the south. Capital is Bengaluru. Main rivers are Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. Language spoken is Kannada. Traditional dress, men wear lungi and shirt, women wear sari. Music, dance. Yakshagana is a popular folk entertainment of Karnataka. Major festivals are Dashera, Ugadi, Shivratri. These are the main festivals of the state. Occupation, people mainly work in farming, trading and corporate offices. Tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane, spices are the main crops of the state. Aeroplane manufacturing, forestry, software, IT, watches, gold mining, electronics and forestry are some of the major industries of the state. Tourism, ancient temples such as Hoysaleshwara, Sri Chennakeshava and Sri Ranganatha temple. Waterfalls such as Jog, Abbey and Gokak are famous. The ruins of Hampi, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks such as Anshi, Attiveri, Bhadra, Magadi and Gudavi are the main tourist spots. Important cities are main cities of Karnataka are Mysore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangalore, Belgaum and Bellary. Some of the important ports are New Mangalore, Malpe and Padubidri. Now the next state is Kerala. It is located in the western coastal plains to the south of Karnataka. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Main lakes and rivers are Periyar Lake, Vembanad Lake, Bharatpuzha River and backwaters of Kerala. The language is Malayalam. Traditional dress, men wear mundu and shirt. Women wear sari, mundu, blouse and long skirts. Dance is Mohiniyattam and Kathakali. These are the famous classical dance forms of Kerala. Major festivals celebrated are Onam, Ramzan and Diwali. Occupation, agriculture, fishing, trade, business, banking and tourism provide jobs to people. Spices, coconut, rubber, cocoa, cashew and rice are the main crops of Kerala. Fishing, coir, handloom, mining and animal husbandry are the main industries of the state. Tourism, popular tourist destinations are Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and Kovalam Beach. Important cities are Palakkad, Kollam, Ernakulam, Wayanad and Kottayam are the main cities of the state. Kochi, Baipur, Alappuzha and Neendakara are the important ports of Kerala. So this was all about western coastal plain. अब हम लोग ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghat. अगर आप इंडिया का मैप देखोगे तो ईस्टर्न साइड में ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन को भी हम समझ रहे हैं, तो वहां पे कौन सा सी है? बे ऑफ बंगाल। तो ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन किस रीजन में पड़ता है? बे ऑफ बंगाल और ईस्टर्न घाट के बीच। दीज प्लेन्स एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बंगाल टू तमिलनाडु। वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन जैसे गुजरात से केरला तक था, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन वेस्ट बंगाल से तमिलनाडु तक होता है। The width of these plains is about 120 kilometers. The eastern coastal plains have numerous rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari, which make them fertile and well irrigated lands. The soil in the eastern coastal plain is alluvial and many mangrove forests grow in this region. The eastern coastal plain can be divided into two parts. Western था 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ था। ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स को 2 भागों में भाग किया जा रहा है। फर्स्ट इज द एरिया बिटवीन रिवर महानदी एंड रिवर कृष्णा इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्दर्न सर्कल्स। द रीजन बिटवीन द कावेरी एंड द कृष्णा रिवर इज कॉल्ड द कोरोमंडल कोस्ट। The states which are a part of eastern coastal plains are Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and the Union Territory of Puducherry. So ये states हो गए the part of the whole eastern coastal plains. Now we will study in detail each of these states. First let's do Odisha. Location is located in the eastern part of India to the south of Jharkhand. Capital is Bhubaneswar. River Mahanadi, language Odia is the main language. Men wear dhoti kurta, western clothes. Women wear sari and blouse. Odissi is a well-known dance form of the state. Rath Yatra of Puri, Diwali, Eid and Christmas are the main festivals. Occupation is agriculture, mining, business and corporate jobs are the main occupation of people. Rice and jute are the main crops of Odisha. Textile, silver work, jewelry, steel, aluminium, mining, global corporate offices, power and refineries are the major industries of this state. Tourism, temples of Puri, Konark Sun Temple, Chilika Lake, Jagannath Temple, Simlipal National Park and the bird sanctuary at Chilika are well-known tourist destinations. The important cities are Puri, Cuttack, Mayurbhanj and Sambalpur. Paradip and Dhamra are the important port towns. Now the next state is Andhra Pradesh. It is located in the southeastern part of India. Capital is Hyderabad. The rivers are Krishna and Godavari. Language spoken is Telugu and Urdu. Traditional dress, men wear dhoti shirt and women wear sari with blouse. The main festival are Dussehra and Eid. Kuchipudi is a popular dance form of the state. The main occupations are farming, business and corporate jobs. The main crops grown are rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane and groundnut. Tobacco, software development, handicrafts and bidri work on brass and copper are the main industries of Andhra Pradesh. Tourism, Venkateshwara Temple in Tirupati, Salarganj Museum, Charminar, Hussain Sagar Lake and Golconda Fort are the main tourist spot of Andhra Pradesh. Important cities are Visakhapatnam, Warangal and Vijayawada. Now the next state is Tamil Nadu. It is the southernmost state of India, located south of Andhra Pradesh. The capital is Chennai. The main rivers are Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai. Language spoken is Tamil and English. Traditional dress is men wear dhoti or vesti with shirt. Women wear saris. Dance is Bharatnatyam, is a well-known classical dance form of the state. Main festivals celebrated are Pongal, Eid, Diwali and Christmas. Occupation is farming is the main occupation of the people. Tea, coffee, rice, cotton, sugarcane and groundnut are the main crops of the state. Textile, heavy machinery, handlooms, electronics and automobiles are the major industries of the state. Tourism. Marina Beach, Mahabalipuram, Kanyakumari and the temple towns are the popular tourist spot. Chennai and Ennore are the important port cities, and important cities are Madurai, Kanchipuram and Coimbatore. Next we come to Puducherry, which is a union territory. Puducherry is divided into 4 districts for administrative purposes, namely Puducherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Yanam. Puducherry was formerly a French colony till 1954. Puducherry is a multicultural city and an education hub. Majority of the people speak here are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French and English. The industries here manufacture computers, electronics, rice bran oil, pharmaceutical, leather goods and many other products. There are beautiful beaches in Puducherry and the Aurobindo Ashram is an attraction for tourists from all over the world. So these were all coastal plains. Now we will learn about 2 islands, the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so let's read about Lakshadweep Island, which is a group of 36 beautiful coral islands which lie in the Arabian Sea. Corals, what are corals? These are tiny skeletal substances. It's very hard. Secreted by marine animals. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital city. Only 10 of 36 islands are inhabited. Not all the islands have people. Only 10 islands are inhabited by people. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 10 islands में ही लोग रहते हैं, बाकियों में नहीं. Tourism is the main economic activity in this region. Some of the popular islands are Amindivi, Minicoy and Agatti. These islands are popular for water sports. The main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. Coconut cultivation is a major economic activity here. This region is also popular for coir items. Coir क्या होता है? वो कोकोनट के बाहर जो ब्राउन सब्सटेंस होता है जिसमें जैसे लग रहा है कि ब्राउन बाल निकले हुए हैं, उसको कॉयर कहते हैं. तो उसके भी काफ़ी सारे यूजेस हैं. तो ये भी एक this region is popular for coir items and beautiful corals. The main languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam and Mahal. The second island is Andaman and Nicobar Island, which are actually 2 group of islands lying in the Bay of Bengal. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Rice is the main food crop of Andaman Island. Coconut and areca nut are the cash crops of the Nicobar Island. Pulses, oilseed, vegetable and fruit such as banana, papaya, pineapple and root crops are grown here. Spices like pepper, cinnamon and clove are grown in some areas. The main industry, however, is fishery and tourism. Some places of tourist interest are the Cellular Jail, Barren Island, Cove Beach and Coral Island. The major languages spoken here are Bengali, Tamil, Hindi and Telugu.